Yes, I mean, this is absolutely, abnormal condition. Have you taken this alarm in the hijab? Let me see. So this is LAH, high level, right? High
Yes.
level.
Why it's not there?
So LAH number is 30905A.
Okay.
So this is the first stage, node 3 only. Did we consider this safeguard?
Should be, but
Well, it's part of the control loop. So the root
What
cause
is control
failure
loop?
is a control loop failure.
okay.
So then take
Oh.
credit for this alarm.
Can you go
No.
down? Because maybe there is some other like closure of. Oh no. No, it's
But
not.
normally,
No,
if
no.
the
Because you count only for control loop failure. So this
Yeah.
alarm is part of the control loop.
Yeah.
Yes.
See,
So it's part of the root cause.
Okay, okay. So guys, we will say in hijab no. And of course, I mean here, I mean out of these three, one is
Yes,
yes,
but-
so it is valid alarm. So what is the cause of the high level? The cause of high level
Manufacture of
here
the
is
control loop.
yes.
control loop.
So which control loop number, please? This same one?
No, 05, I think. LCP 05.
Okay. Yeah, this one.
This one, this one,
030905, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the cause of creating high level here. So if the alarm comes in and operator doesn't take action, it will go on trip, right?
It will
go high,
yes.
And this action is there, increase in the oil level in the first stage separator leading to the overfilling, conveyor of oil, gas, oil stream, the first stage separator. So this is the action. And if operator doesn't take action,
Similar to Hajj, how to take a credit for alarm, which is part of the root cause.
Correct.
Because now we consider that the control loop failure. So one of the root causes of the control loop failure is failure of transmitter. So maybe not triggered the alarm while still the level increased. You get my point? It's part of the root cause.
I
Yeah,
think
correct.
we should consider different, but
Because we didn't have independent alarm.
see, there are some bulbs here actually, which I don't know why in HAZOP it's not considered as closure of these bulbs, right? See, there are, there are manual bulbs.
No, this is not a observed recession.
No,
manual.
I
See,
agree with you.
See, we are not talking about